Oh, what the? Oh, this might be a Vertical Express?
Told you. Smells like
No, it's not.
air fresheners.
It's got the inch-up thing. His door configuration is weird though. Like it goes like this way on both sides. It's not like.
Goes the opposite. It's the opposite.
Yeah, that's weird. Haven't seen this kind of configuration yet. You have a spare, but. Oh, wait. Hold on. The machine room sounded like it was up here. Did you not hear that? It sounded like the machine room was up here. Oh, it might have been on the R side. Got a 1. The floor passing is very faint, listen. It's barely audible. Nice interior though. It's not like the other ones, but here's Throg's favorite buttons. Mad BS Moon.
Every single one has these.
Yeah, I think the machine room was actually upstairs, but it was on the R set, which we can't go to.
Why would it be up there?
That's what I want to know.
Rock, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Pretty good motor, though. Oh, this might... Wait, hold on. Hold on. Was this? This might have been something else originally. This might have been a Dover as well.
Very lovely.
Yeah, this is modded.